Well, good Wednesday morning, my ladies and my gents. Happy Christmas Eve. Uh, this is my gonna be a what did you buy Wednesday type of thing here. Yes, another exciting episode. Uh, Hosted by our buddy Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. And uh, I just thought I'd go through this kind of real quick. I'm just kind of throwing this out there. Uh, there is a lady named Kristen on Facebook. She does the KOG's auctions. I'll have a spelled out down in the description. I can't link the her page to the YouTube. I've talked about it before. So, but anyway, these were some of the kits that I won in the most recent, or one of the most recent auctions, and I thought I'd give just a quick talk about them. So, uh, y'all said you kind of like this version, so I thought I'd go through with this, doing it this way. So, hang tight. Here we go. Okay, well, first up, we got the 57 Corvette AM or monograms. I am not that big of a fan of the Corvette. Never have been, or at least not this version. But I've got the 57 Thunderbirds. Let's go with the 57 Corvette. Have a little bit of fun with it, maybe. I don't know. Um, we'll see what happens. But it's still wrapped and in the box, so that's a plus. And next up, we got the 53 Ford pickup. I've already built one of these. I've got another kit that I've already got in my stash. And then I picked this one up. This makes number 3. And this one, yes, does have the Coca-Cola vending machine and the um, little dolly cart. Um, it's all still in the package. The package is open, but it's still all in the box. So yeah, it's see what I might want to do with these. I do have a resin body for a crew cab for a 53 Ford truck that is you can use on this, and I may do something with that, at least one of them. So we'll see what happens. And this is the 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup. This is the one that a lot of people like to use for the Christmas red pickup truck. It most resembles a lot of the stuff that you've seen out there on, the depictions of the red pickup where everybody's doing them with Christmas decorations. And I built one as a joke because my mom does crossword puzzles, and not crossword puzzles, jigsaw puzzles, and she really liked the ones with the red pickup. And doing a bit of research, I found that as far as a kit goes, the 50 Chevy is about as close as you're going to get. So it winds up, and I built a red one for the Christmas scene that my mom built. She did a little miniature thing, just a little slap together thing, and built the pickup, and now I've put that Slayer T in with it as well. So, but this one is loosely called "Gently Started," I think is the way Kristen describes them when they're like this. It's got the suspension added onto it, and this one I don't know if I'm going to just finish it out or if I'm going to do anything special. It does need cleaning up. The seam lines and things like that are still there. It wasn't cleaned up very well, whoever started it. So, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do a little bit of hot rodding on it, if I'm just gonna keep it like it is, or what. I've got, like I said, I've got another kit that I haven't started on too. I built 2. When I get these 2 done, I'll have 4 of these things. I like these. It's a fun kit to do. It's a fun kit to bash. It's a fun kit to hot rod. Uh, so I like the kit. So anyway, uh, there we have it. And there is my Christmas Eve version of What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by our buddy Joe, their Big Sky Model Workshop. Uh, my words have not been coming through that well today. My brain is still tired. It hurts. I been in bed the last couple of days with migraines. It's not been that fun. They're going away, but my brain is still not processing words that well. So if I sound a little inky today, it's because of that. So apologies. On to VCGresins.com. be sure to go down to the bottom of the homepage, sign up for the newsletter. Talked about it before many times. If you haven't signed up, why not? She has hinted about the possibility that there might be some stuff coming out, new stuff coming out between Christmas and New Year's, and you can only access it through the newsletter. It won't be on the website. So, and also be aware that shipping uh, will not, the next shipping date will, this be a better way to put it, the next shipping date will be January 6th. That's the first Tuesday of January. The cutoff date for that is January 5, the Monday, but just before. So you can order stuff right now and it won't be shipped out until January 6th. Be aware. Don't go bugging Josh. When is it going to be ordered? When is it going to be ordered? It's on the website. Uh, and I'm telling you now, it won't be shipped until the 6th, period. Josh is taking time off. He's taking about a week and a half off away from the shop, almost 2 weeks, and decompressing, spending time with his family. So don't bug him, please. um, Also, when you do go shopping and you do find some stuff and you want to go ahead and put it in a cart and and you check out, even if it's low stock, uh, and you go ahead and put your order in, it will guarantee that you will have it. The program will register that that is now taken out of stock. So I think the 57 Thunderbird, last time I checked last night, still had a couple of engines left. If you get one, you will get it as long as you place the order and go through checkout. But be sure and use promo code Jester10. Save you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6. So I want to say Merry Christmas to all of y'all from uh, this old grizzled white beard fart. Um, and I appreciate all of y'all. I really thank all of y'all for tuning in every so often, listening to me ramble on for a few minutes, taking some time from your day. Really does mean a lot, and I do appreciate it. So I'm going to shut up now because I've rambled long enough. And but Merry Christmas. I'll talk to y'all Sunday. B-Tex signing out.